Morning sun on open ground, hands in soil, no rush, no sound, pruning back to help things grow. Trust the seasons, let it flow, planting hope in rows so near, seeds of life beneath my feet. Water patience, time will show, rooted deep
Hold this for Mama.
and growing slow.
Is it golden? Oh, you can't hold it with one hand. Oh, sorry. Alright, so look at this size of cucumber that I harvested this morning. You see how big? There's another one. So we have some monsters in this patch. I have some others, but I'll harvest them just now and put it in a bowl and let you all see. All our big cucumber. Look at the size of this cucumber. Put it by her head. Yeah, look at the size of this cucumber to your head. It's bigger than your head. You can tote it. I'm coming. You can tote it. Yeah. Okay, so I brought a bowl. I'm gonna put it down in the bowl. Press it nice and gentle. Wow, that one can't fit in the bowl. That's a mosquito. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Wow, lots of mosquitoes. Alright, so I'm gonna go back in the patch and see how much more I get, right? Let me see how many more cucumbers we're gonna get. So we already harvested all these cucumber here, and Anaya and Azaria have the trophy. Look how big. I'm going to put this way. And look at what I'm seeing there. See that? It's a froggy, frog. And now them snail and can give them some trouble. So it have others in the bed, but they are a bit small. And I don't want to pick them that small. I want them to get big. So this is what we have here so far.
And this one's even bigger than the other big one.
Yeah.
Since they were ginormous or bigger than this one.
Yeah. Let's measure it with your elbow, Naya. You put it. Yeah. See? Naya is 5 years old, and you see it's the length of a 5-year-old hand. Mosquito keep biting you. Yeah. So we're gonna take these and wash them, and maybe we'll carry some of them, make a salad or something to carry for later. Yeah. Alright, bye bye.